In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Yahoo Mail back to Classic. We're going to walk through each step to ensure you can switch back to a simpler, more streamlined Yahoo Mail experience. Let's dive right in. First, let's get started by logging into your Yahoo account. Open up your browser and head over to the Yahoo login page. Once you're there, you'll want to type in your Yahoo email address in the provided field. It's really important to double-check the spelling here for typos that might lock you out temporarily. Once you've got your email address entered correctly, go ahead and click on the Next button to proceed. Now it's time to enter your password. This is a crucial step, so make sure your password is correct to avoid any hiccups. If by chance you've forgotten it, don't worry, Yahoo provides options to reset it quite easily. Once you've successfully typed in your password, click Next. This will take you directly to your Yahoo Mail inbox. Inside your inbox, take a glance at the top right corner of the page where you'll find a gear-shaped icon. This is your settings button, so go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, offering a variety of options. At the bottom of this menu, you'll notice an option labeled More Settings. Clicking on More Settings will redirect you to a separate settings page, filled with additional preferences and settings. Now, let's look for the option to switch back to the classic version of Yahoo Mail. On the left-hand side of the settings page, you should see a section labeled Switch to Basic Mail. Selecting this option will get you a step closer to the classic experience. After clicking on it, a new page may appear with some information about what you might be missing out on by switching to Basic Mail. There will also be a button that says Switch to Basic Mail. Go ahead and click on that button, and Yahoo Mail will quickly transition to the classic interface. And there you have it. Now you're back to experiencing Yahoo Mail in its classic form, enjoying the simpler and more streamlined interface. It's worth noting that the basic version may have fewer features than the current one, but it's often a lot faster and easier to navigate, especially if you're just looking to read and compose emails. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now comfortably using Yahoo Mail in the version that suits you best. If you have any questions or run into any problems during this process, feel free to reach out to Yahoo's support team for additional help. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing!